people, and welcome back. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing today. As you can see, I'm actually in my front room, so I'm not going to be testing the tool or anything. It is literally just going to be open up the box, show you what's inside, have a look for myself, because I haven't actually opened it up myself yet, so I don't know what's in here. Well, I know what's in here, but I don't know what it comes with or anything like that. But as you can tell by the title, I bought myself a Festool Domino. So I'm going to flip you around and we're going to unbox this together. Right, so let's not muck about, let's get right into this. Oh, it's always exciting opening up a new tool, isn't it? Boring box out of the way. What we've got, so this is the place that I bought it from. You can see that, yeah, West Country Machinery. Never used them before, but this was actually quite a hard tool to get a hold of. It was out of stock everywhere, and this company had it. So yeah, Trend magazine, don't need that. The flyer, let's get you in shot with all their information. Quite good service, turned up fairly quickly, quite easy to communicate with them. So yeah, check them out. I'd never heard of them before, but just doing a Google search, they were the ones that popped up. Packaging, here we go. This is the tool itself. It's the Domino DF 500. I went for the smaller one. I don't really need the bigger one, so yeah, this is what I went for. Obviously, nice sustainer box. Let's open it up. We've got inside, so Festool service menu, don't need that. Need that. User instructions, I'm not going to bother with them. Warranty card, we will mess with that. This is, I believe, yeah, this is the stops, like the side to side stops, so we'll be definitely fitting them. Obviously we've got the plug it cord, extra base, I'll show you where that goes in a minute. The tool, they call it a tool, but it's quite clearly a spanner. But yeah, that's the tool that you use for taking the base off and changing the cutters, etc. And then the tool itself. This. Yeah, here's the tool itself. Quite weighty, actually. Didn't expect it to be that heavy, but yeah. So that tool, one, to be fitting the cutters, and two, you put it in here and lift that up, and then that removes the front base. So yeah, it comes with a 5mm cutter as standard. I think all of them come with a 5mm cutter as standard, and then obviously you buy the additional cutters as and when you need them. Oh, you can tell I ain't used this before. Right, there you go. Had a bit of trouble getting that back in. Not used one of these before, so this will be interesting for me. That additional base screws on here like that, just to give you a bit more support. Take that off for a minute. But yeah, there's the tool itself. Like I said, not used one of these before, so I'm going to have to do a bit of YouTubing, get my head round how to actually use it. But yeah, there it is. Okay, so yeah, just a quick unboxing. Just thought I'd take you along for the ride, as it were. Show you my new tool. I'm very happy with it. I've been putting off for a long time buying one of these, just because of the cost, you know, struggling to get around it. But then it's just got to the point now where I just think it's a tool that I need to have. So yeah, went for it. Don't regret buying it. But yeah, like I said, I've got to learn how to use it because I don't actually know how to use it. So if you can recommend any videos, you know, anyone who showing you how to use it and all that. I mean, obviously I've got a basic understanding of how to use it. But yeah, it's just having a play around with it really. I'll be taking it into the job with me tomorrow and just having a mess around, joining pointless bits of wood together. But yeah, that's it. That's all from me today, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, just like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and you'll be kept up to date with all my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.